Hello, my friend, and welcome to my channel. Happy birthday, Karina, at Karina's Nail Designs. This is an Instagram collaboration hosted by Tinkerbell 1970s and at Nail Gems. Our theme was cartoon-style nails. So let's get started. I've already applied IMK Bio Base, and this is Orly Hot Shot. Camera's not doing it justice. This is a really hot pink, and it's got reddish kind of undertones. It kind of looks a little red after it's dried and everything. And so we're just going to roll with it today. Now, I'm going to be completely 100% honest here. I was never, ever, ever planning on doing these cartoon-looking nails. Ever. I've seen them on Instagram and YouTubes and all that, and I didn't think I was ever going to do that. Nope, not me. But then I got an invitation to help my friend Karina celebrate her birthday, and this was the theme. So here we are. Now, I love me some Karina, and I will have a link to her channel down below over there on the YouTubes. And I should also have hashtags for the other participants in this collaboration down below as well. I'm going to top these with I&Ms out the door and get them dry down so that we can do the cartooning effect on this here manicure. Now, you guys know that doing hand drawing on my nails is not something I'm good at. I do not do freehand very well at all. Look at Hot Shot on its own. So pretty. Oh, so I'll be using Apple Barrel Black paint. My Westonia medium liner brush. You can tell I've already gotten started. I'm just going to show one nail because this is painful, y'all. Thankfully, my hands weren't shaky today. I just am not good at this. I'm not good at it. Hand thinging is not my thing. Freehanding is not my forte at all. But I do want to, do this and be able to say, yeah, I did that. And they really didn't turn out as bad as I thought they would. I wish I'd have been able to get my lines skinnier and smaller and straighter. But, here we are. honest to gosh. This is how this girl is. Plus, my nails are super short, which also makes it pretty hard to, pull off something like this. But, you know what? For our friends, we do what we got to do, right? And then we're going to go in and put a little swoosh and then a little dot. I did the swoosh with the brush, but the dot I'm going to do with the dotting tool. Oh, getting a little shaky, got a little too close. Now I've got out my Apple Barrel white acrylic paint, and I'm moving to the short Westonia brush to do the other highlight. Kind of run my brush through the paint, get some on, and then brush some off. And then we're going to do our little swoop and another little bitty dot with the dotting tool. Like I said, this is a hot mess, but here it is. I am going to top these with Posh Top Coat. The acrylic paint dries really, really quick, so I didn't have to worry about that. Going to go over it, cap my free edge here, and then I'm going to take a picture and show you shiny. Yeah, here we go though, but we are going to mattify this one. I'm going to use Anchor and Hearts Sea Glass Fairy Slipper. My favoriteest matte top coat, and we're going to put that over the top of these, and I really liked it mattified big time. Here's my swatch photo. I do hope you enjoyed this hot mess. I want to thank you so much for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.